As you know from my introduction, one of my passions is training dogs. I enjoy training dogs. However, I have a limited amount of time and money to do this. And although these resources are limited, I can still train under some of the best trainers in the nation by taking the factors of time and location out of it. According to Donald Clark in this video that we watched, the internet and social media are a way of taking time and location out of the factor. From personal experience, I can tell you this is true. Years ago, I used to drive 3 hours one way just to get to a place to train my dog. Also, it was very difficult to find a time that I had in common with that trainer that I could do it. Now, with the advent of the internet, I can follow blogs, I can look at YouTube videos, I can order videos of trainers and train in my own time, in my own backyard, when I have available, and I don't have to travel. Sometimes these videos do cost money. Sometimes following somebody's weekly training blog costs money, but not near as much as the travel time did back in the day. So again, when you take time and location out of the mix, which is what the internet does for you many times, it makes a lot of things a lot more available, especially I can train under the best in the nation and not just the ones that happen to be in this location.